Yes, friends, once again, we have to deal with the Standard 10th English Unit 4 4.1 English Workshop on page number 152. Now, open your books on page number 152. We have completed 5 questions in the last video. Now, we will continue with the 6th one. Page number 152, 6th question. Supermom refers to an excellent mother. Give 3 reasons why super has been added to the word mom as in the title. Why super word is used? The writer wants to know from you. Why super word is used? You know, super. Super means what? The excellent one. So the first is, she is the excellent personality, or she is the excellent. She has placed the excellent example of the feminine character as a woman. She has fought, though she was a woman. Fighting and women are the controversial issues. And so, the first reason that why she has added or referred to an excellent mother, the super word is added because fighting is not the field of women. This is the first reason. Though she has fought, though she was a mom, or she is a mom and she has fought well, so super mom. Secondly, she has the feminine characters. In the last questions on page number, I think, 150, the interviewer asks, you have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional, it is important, the second point is traditional feminine activities like cooking? And the answer is, I am good at cooking and other household work too. So, though she was a super boxer, being a woman, she is good at cooking and other household work too. This is another reason. And the third one, why she says, why the question is, why the super word is added to the super mom, the last answer she gives is the third reason, that whether, what do you prefer, being called super mom or super boxer? She says, I love being a mom. Here she does not add word super, but her feminine instinct is shown because the life of the women is incomplete according to our society and culture, that unless and until she becomes a woman. That is our imagination of the society. One may contradict with my example, but it is the reality that she answers, I love being a mom. And the same answer is there as per my explanation, that she says, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. That means she is a mom. She has become the mother, and it is the best thing that heaven has offered her. So she says, though she is a boxer, though she is a super boxer, being with or bestowed with all the instinct by God and the culture and the society and the parents, that this is the best reason that she is the super mom. These are the reasons that you have to write by your own. Next, 7th question, that answer in your own words. Again, you have to write it by your own, but I would like to explain it for you. What makes the writer call Mary Kom a legend? In this answer, you have to say, you have to express what is the meaning of legend. Legend means the superstar. What is the meaning of legend? Legend is a superstar, a superhero, or idol, or the person who has done the best in his life in the particular field. It may be cricket. We call Sachin as a legend of cricket. So there are many names along with the Sachin. Some people will prefer Sunil Gavaskar according to generations. It may vary, but legend means a hero in our language. So naturally, she is the first woman who has chosen the field of boxing. Ultimately different, exceptionally different field for the boxing. And she is the first woman as a successful boxer. So naturally, she is the idol. And so she has given the justice to her choice of games and sports, that is the boxing, and has won the medals, Olympic medal even for India. So she is the legend for Indian girls, women's, not only girls and women's, but for all the Indians to be proud about her. So she is the legend for India. Second question B, 7th B. What prime quality did Mary Kom display during her first attempt in Olympic Games? What was her bad luck? Yes, the prime qualities I have explained you with the Venn diagram in the English workshop, that question. In that, different qualities were there, I have explained the qualities. But again, once again, in this prime quality that she has shown particularly during the first attempt, she was, first thing, as a woman, she has to take as her counterparts as the male boxers, because she was the first woman and male boxers were not available in those days. So during the practice, it was the first thing that she has to accept. Or second thing, during her first attempt in the Olympic, she was not allowed to take her guide along with her at the Olympics. So this was the thing which was the thing of problem for her. But she had made her practice, her homework very well, and this helped her for her activities that she has to fight in the Olympics. And the third thing, that very important thing, she says many a times the button of the bell was not pressed, though she scored a point. So she says the injustice or that type of the behavior was there by the umpires, and so it was the bad luck for her, or it was the thing that was the thing of bad luck for her, that she has to stood third and she has to grab the bronze medal rather than gaining the silver medal by her own. That was the thing of bad luck. Now, third question. What does Mary Kom suggest for India to win more Olympic gold medals? And in this question, the answer is that if India want, the more and more people should take up the sport as a full-time career. If we want more gold medals, and more corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. That is the answer on page number 149. That is the complete answer given by Mary Kom to the interviewer. Now friends, your 8th question. Fill in the flow chart after rearranging the facts below in their proper order. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is given here. A. Mary Kom made her first appearance at international level. This is the first point. B. She sparred with the male boxers in Pune. Third. C. Mary Kom won the Manipur States Women Boxing Championship. D. She won a bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics. And E. Mary Kom decided to take up boxing. Now, these are the points given abruptly. And now you have to make the flow chart. Flow chart means event wise, one after the other. In the sequence, you have to put the sentences. So, the first sentence that will be in the box will be that is, Mary Kom firstly decided to take up boxing. So the first point is E, the last. That will come first. First, the decision. Mary Kom decided to take up boxing. Now the second, after taking the decision, Mary Kom won the Manipur State's Women's Boxing Championship. That is her first victory. So C. Secondly, you have to put C. C is Mary Kom won the Manipur State's Women's Boxing Championship. Now the third, she sparred with the male boxers in Pune for practice. And for third, it is B. She sparred with the male boxers in Pune. Then fourth one, Mary Kom made her first appearance in international level. That is A. And in fifth, last is she won the bronze medal for us in 2012 Olympic. So D is the option. Now I would like to read it for you. Yes, again, according to the flowchart, I will read the sentences in the sequence. The first, Mary Kom decided to take up boxing. Second, Mary Kom won the Manipur State's Women's Boxing Championship. Third, she sparred with the male boxers in Pune. Fourth, Mary Kom made her first appearance at international level. And fifth, she won a bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics. That is the flowchart. Now, page number 151. Yes, ninth question. Make sentences of your own using the following words. Using the following words. You have to frame the two sentences with every word. I will frame only one sentence for you. That you have to hear while watching video. You can write it, and you have to frame the another sentence in your notebook. Yes, first, David. Yes, again with the Sachin, but the different Sachin. Sachin Pilgaonkar, the famous Marathi actor. Sachin Pilgaonkar made his debut as a child artist or actor in cinema. Sachin Pilgaonkar made his debut as a child artist in cinema. Second, you have to frame. Elation, Atyananda in Marathi. Particularly, I have written this meaning in Marathi. Elation, because it is a new word in your 10th class. New means you have not even once read this word till the 10th one. So, elation, Atyananda. Very good example I have traced. His elation increased. His elation increased at the sight of little girl. With the sight of little girl, he has saved. He has saved his life. That is the reference. So his elation increased at the sight of little girls he has saved. Now, sponsor. I have used this word in a sentence while explaining this. TV serials are sponsored by many companies. With many companies who have different products. TV news are sponsored by Patanjali, by Ramdev Baba. Reinforced. Again, you can use it from the 147 page. On page number 147, the good word is used in a sentence. The last lines. Mary Kom's greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to whole nation for not being able to win gold. It is very perfectly used by the writer. So you can use it in a sentence. You can frame the another one for you. And humble surrounding. Again, this word I have explained it while explaining the economical condition and humbleness of Mary Kom. At the same time, many players are there who have such humble surroundings in their life, and those are the icons nowadays for the young generation. Hima Das is one such a legendary girl. Hima Das is grown up in very humble surroundings. Now, you have to find the antonyms of the following words from the text. Antonyms from the text. Again, I would like to write here arrogant, opposite, humble. Second is disqualify. Dis is the prefix, disqualify. So the antonym will be qualify. This is the prefix which has a negative meaning. Third is finally. Finally opposite initially. Final position of the article or the body, initial position of the body. You may have come across in the acceleration chapter in physics, that is science 1 in the 9th class or the 10th class. Final position, initial position. Finally, initially. Then diffident, opposite, confident. Diffident, opposite, confident. These are 4 words which are asked for the antonyms, and you have to write it by your own in the lesson, in the notebook. Now, 11th question is, imagine that you are a captain of the team. Famous cricketer is going to visit your school. You are assigned the task to conduct an interview of that famous cricketer. Frame a set of 10 questions that you will ask the cricketer. Take help of the points given below. We have gone through the lesson as if the interview of the Mary Kom. She is also the sports person. So you can take help of this lesson and the style of asking the question by the interviewer. Some points are given you and you have to frame the questions by your own. Again, write a short paragraph describing question 12. Write a short paragraph describing the life and the work of the Mary Kom. Take help of the points given below. Particularly, similar question I have answered for you on page number 151. The fourth question, write the fact file of the Mary Kom in your notebook. Similar questions you have there. You have to explain it and write by your own as I have explained you in that question. What is it? Early life, that we have explained. Training, how she has taken, that is the new point. I have explained too. Achievements, I have explained. And extraordinary achievements, international achievements we have taken. Then the future plans is also explained in that question. Only one point that you have to write it in this question is about her training in Pune or by her coach. Only these 2 lines that you have to add in the question 4 in the last video, and you will complete with this the 12th question also. So friends, now what man can do, women can do better. Divide into the group activity, and we have to see it in the class if the pandemic give permission to us. Now, the language study we will complete with in the last video of this lesson. Thank you very much. We will complete it in the next video.